Any of these problems that say find the exact value means that you're going to be using a triangle that's a 45, 45, 90 or a 30, 60, 90 triangle. Those are the only two we really know the exact values for. So first I'm going to convert this to degrees to see if it's a 30, 60, 90, 45. So convert 3 pi over 2 and then use a pi and a 180. Well, with this one I want pi to cancel because I'm trying to get it to be degrees, so pi needs to be in the denominator. That means 180 is in the numerator. And then the pi's will cancel. The 2 will divide into 180 90 times, and so we end up with 270 degrees. So let's see where that is. So this is 0, and this is 90, and then this is 180, and actually right here on the y-axis down here is 270 degrees. So we've got an angle going like this. So it looks like we're not going to be able to draw a triangle to do this one. We're going to need to use x and y and r. So all I know is that the angle is going in this direction. So I can say, well, I can let r be, for example, 1. You can let it equal 101 if you want. It just needs to be some length. And then, once I've done that, I know that this is the negative y-axis. So if I went down a length of 1, that means I'm down here at negative 1. So y is equal to negative 1. And as far as x goes, we didn't go left or right, so x is equal to 0. And now we could find any trig function that we want. Well, cosecant, that's from 1 over sine. And so sine of theta, just as a reminder with the x, y, and r system, is y over r. That means cosecant is r over y. And so then cosecant of 3 pi over 2 is going to be it's going to be r over y. So it looks like the answer is negative 1. And then I can use my trusty old calculator to try and verify. First, change the mode to be radians, and then we're going to have to, instead of using cosecant, since my calculator doesn't have cosecant, we're going to have to use sine. Well, since sine is 1 over cosecant, that means that these two guys would have just switched places, so the answer would still be negative 1 using sine. So sine of 3 pi divided by 2 equals a negative 1. So I'm so happy I got it right.